warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make chicken vermicelli. For that you need 250 grams of chicken, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, and then turmeric, that is 1 teaspoon, then salt 1 teaspoon, and now give it a good mix. Now you need to add lemon juice, that is 1 teaspoon. Now mix it well and then keep the marinated chicken in the refrigerator. Now you need to take 3 cups of vermicelli. Take a vessel and heat oil in the vessel and roast the vermicelli in it. Until your vermicelli is roasted, you need to keep ready whole red chillies, a few curry leaves, green chillies chopped, and garlic sliced. As soon as the vermicelli is ready, you need to add all the dry ingredients in the roasted vermicelli. And then fry it until it's nicely cooked. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Now add some water and cook it on medium flame. And also don't forget to cover the vessel with a lid. So now your vermicelli is done. So you can see it's nicely cooked and it is not too hard, but instead it's a bit moist and soft. Please note that your vermicelli shouldn't be too watery. So now let's fry the chicken. So add oil in a tawa or a pan and then add the marinated chicken and then fry it. Keep an eye on the chicken so that it doesn't burn. So finally the chicken is also ready. So now you can add the chicken in the vermicelli that you had prepared. Before adding the chicken, please taste the vermicelli so that you can adjust the amount of salt. Then add the chicken. Now add 1 chopped onion and a handful of coriander leaves. Now you can take a look at my chicken vermicelli. It is ready to be eaten. So do try this at home. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Thank you for watching.